Welcome to our tutorial on accessing your UC Pennsylvania uc.pa.gov account. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to log in and access your Pandemic Unemployment Assistance PUA benefits. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and enter www.uc.pa.gov into the address bar to access the website. Click on the Login button located in the top right corner of the open page. Afterwards, click on the Sign In button on the screen. I am now on the Login panel. In the first field, enter your username. Then move to the next field and enter your password. Finally, click on the Sign In button. If you don't remember your username or password, don't worry. Click here. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who may need assistance with accessing their UC Pennsylvania accounts and PUA benefits. Thank you for watching.